So this is going to be my affiliate marketing tips for beginners. And I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2017. And this video I'm going to share with you my best tips so you can succeed with affiliate marketing if you're a complete beginner. This is my PayPal account, and as you can see on the screen, I have been making money with affiliate marketing. And the most important thing that you need to know is that it takes time. When I started, it took me 1 year to get my first affiliate marketing commission. And here's the thing, you need to be willing to put in the work because you already know that the business model is not difficult. Maybe you are not seeing results right now, and that could be for many reasons. For example, let me show you how I made this commission so you can improve your results. I promote high-ticket products in the make money online niche. So what kind of products are you promoting? Is it a low-ticket product? And in what niche? Because the best niches you can choose are the make money online, the health and fitness, and the relationship niche. The other thing I use is a landing page to collect leads. And as you can see on the screen, it has a good title, a button, information, and also I have put my picture. And I'm telling people that I'm an affiliate marketer, I have a chemical engineer degree, and also a master in business administration. Because I want to people know that I'm promoting the product. My next tip is that I have my own domain and email. All the people who put their information in the landing page, they are going to receive this ebook from my email. The next tip is that I recorded a video inside of the bridge page. So when people get access to this page, they are going to watch my video. And that is a simple video in which I'm explaining the product and the next steps they need to take if they want to get inside the training. One important thing you need to know is that people don't buy at the first interaction. That is why I have an email sequence to do the follow-up. For example, as you can see on the screen, when someone subscribes to this list, Freedom Breakthrough, this software, the name Get Response, is going to send these 2 emails. Then it's going to wait for 1 day and it's going to send another email. And I'm going to scroll down so you can see that I have all of these emails ready to send. So let me know in the comments if you have a system like this one when you are promoting an affiliate offer. The next tip is how to get the right traffic, because that system is useless if you don't have leads. And this is usually where people struggle when they start with affiliate marketing. Because if you're going to use free traffic strategies, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, Pinterest, it's gonna take time to get the ball rolling. But if you use paid traffic strategies, you will get results faster if you do it right. Tell me in the comments which are your traffic strategies. Now, let's say that you have all the system, the landing page, the email sequence, the affiliate offer, the multiple products that you're going to promote, and your traffic source. At this time, when you have everything set up, you need to know your numbers. For example, what is the percentage of opt-in rate? That means how many emails are you getting when someone views the landing page. If you are running ads, what is the cost per conversion? How many emails are you getting per day? As you can see, there are a lot of moving parts that you need to set up well in order to succeed with affiliate marketing. The business model is simple, but it requires work, because if you don't want to pay for ads, you are going to need to create content. One thing that I have realized from my experience is that all of those skills can be learned if you have a proven method that works. And the other thing is that when you start to make commissions, it's amazing. So if you want to learn the exact system that I use to make commissions with affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.